Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by unlocking the iPhone XR and going straight to Settings, then Wallpaper. You do this because wallpaper is controlled system-wide, not per app. Once in Wallpaper, tap the current preview to inspect which image is set for lock and home screens. Make sure you know which one to remove. From there, choose Change or choose a new wallpaper so you can replace or revert the image. Act now, don't pause on backups. Wallpapers aren't user data, but confirm which screen you'll alter. You'll replace the wallpaper rather than delete it, because iOS doesn't store an empty slot. Choose Stills or Photos, then pick a plain image or Apple default to simulate removal. Tap Set, then pick Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both depending on what you want changed. Make sure to preview by locking your phone and waking it. This confirms the replacement applied. If you need a true blank, use a solid black or white photo saved in Photos and set that image. It gives the clean, minimal look you want. You're finishing by verifying the new setting. Lock the XR, wake it, and check both lock and home screens. Once done, make sure the change persists after a restart because sometimes cached previews stick. If it didn't apply, restart the phone and check for an iOS update. Outdated software can block appearance changes. Also inspect any configuration profiles or screen time restrictions that might lock wallpapers. If problems persist, force restart and repeat the set action. That resolves most stuck cases quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.